Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a QR code in Microsoft Excel. Creating a QR code in Microsoft Excel is simple. QR codes, like barcodes, store information, but QR codes offer more flexibility. They use both vertical and horizontal spaces to encode various types of data, including alphanumeric or numeric, binary, and even kanji characters. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and navigate to the Add-ins tab. Look for the QR for Office Add-in. If you don't have it, you can search for it and add it to Excel. Once installed, the add-in will prompt you to enter the URL or select from other options like email address, telephone, or SMS. You can even customize your QR code by changing its color, background, and size. After entering the information and customizing your QR code, select the cell where you want to place it. Then click on Insert, and your QR code will appear as an image in the selected cell. Now you can use a QR code scanner on your mobile device to scan the code and access the encoded information. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.